Hi guys, you are watching Mind of Technology and Info YouTube channel. Please subscribe to this channel. In this video, let us know about upcoming Ifalcon K71 and H71 QLED series. They are coming with some exciting features. Let us know about them in detail. Along with K71 and H71, Ifalcon is also launching K31, F2A and D32 series. Each series will have some specific features. Let us know about them now. Firstly, let us know about K71 series TVs. They come with bezel-less design, edge-to-edge screen. The whole body of the TV is made up of plastic. It gets almost every port that we need in our TV. In this picture, we can see that it will come with quantum dots technology, HDR10 Plus, Google Assistant built-in, full screen display, Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, and a 2 GB of RAM with 16 GB of internal storage. When I looked in detail for specifications, I found that it will be a normal display. It will not be a QLED display. They have mentioned incorrect details in previous photo. So if you consider the details that they have provided for this TV, it will not get a QLED panel. It gets a direct LED panel. The TV's display will be equipped with 4K HDR panel. It will be coming with micro dimming technology, which will enhance the picture quality of the TV. It also comes with dynamic color enhancement, which provides deeper colors than other TVs. It will also feature 4K upscaling, which can upscale HD and SD content into 4K content. Now let us discuss about the sound quality of the TV. It comes with 30 watts speakers. It comes with DTS Smart Audio and Dolby Atmos Audio. It delivers surrounded cinematic experience. It will also get inbuilt Bluetooth through which we can connect our TV to external devices. The remote of the TV is pretty similar to the remote which we see in other TCL TVs. It will get hotkeys for Netflix app only. Now let us talk about H71 series TVs. They come with a QLED panel. It also gets a full screen display, which means that there are very minimal bezels. The whole body of the TV is made up of plastic as before. The display of the TV comes with 330 nits of high brightness. This TV will also run on Android platform, so it gets YouTube, Prime Video, Netflix and other OTT apps too. This TV comes with voice search as well. It does not get far field technology, but it only gets voice assistant in the remote of the TV. This TV will come with Dolby Atmos audio. The remote is same in both TV series. It comes with dedicated Google Assistant button and hotkeys for Netflix app. As I said, it gets Dolby Atmos and DTS audio. These TVs will also come with Dolby Vision support. They are of HDR10 Plus panel. The display engine used in this TV series is IPQ engine. It can boost the picture quality of the TV. It also gets Magic Connect. When I looked for specifications in detail, I found that the TV's display is QLED panel. The only difference between these two series are in types of panels. The K71 series comes with direct LED panel and the H71 series comes with QLED panel. They have priced the TVs incorrectly. DLED should be much cheaper than QLED TVs, but they have priced them same. 65-inch models in both series will cost you same price, that is 55,000 rupees. Except the display type, all other features are same in both TVs, so my choice will be QLED TV. Thank you for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to this channel.